Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 24th January 2021. So today is Monday, beginning of the week. Let's see how the market is going. Market is not going too well, but there is some rebound on the semiconductor stock. Okay, let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so before we start, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so yesterday I did the weekly forecast, so don't forget to check out yesterday's video. Saturday and Sunday, we see the big picture, and Sunday we're going to review all the stock we talk about during the week. Okay, so don't forget to check out these two videos, very important. So you got at least you got what do you call it? You are ready, okay? You are ready for investing in this week, right? At least we already have a idea, okay, what to do. So let's check out BURSA first. Yeah, better check out the KLCI. Okay, KLCI. Look at the chart first. Drop 5.1 points, right? 5.58 points, so 5.5 points, so cannot hold. Okay, so that day the pin bar away cannot hold. Let's see today they want to push it up or not. If today they want to push it up, probably still can hold a while. If they cannot push it up, today continue to drop down. So today, I think the bloodbath coming. Okay, the bloodbath coming. Okay, so very dangerous now. Okay, market is still down. See tomorrow, see today evening and tomorrow morning whether the institution want to push it up or not. For now, it's no good. So let's check out the BURSA sentiment 39 not good. Gainers 282, losers 3443. So losers much more than gainers. So volume not so big, 1.33, drop 5.53 points. 1521.48. So below the 1525 benchmark. Consumer drop 0.24, industry up 0.08, construction up 0.22, technology up 0.45, as expected, right? Technology, there's some rebound, minor rebound. Finance drop 0.59, property drop 0.04, plantation drop 0.18, REIT, plantation up 0.18, REIT drop 0.19, energy drop 0.16, healthcare big drop 1.58, telecommunication drop 0.36, transportation drop 0.08, utility drop 0.08. So nothing much to play today, only there is some rebound in technology. Okay, let's check out the top gainers here. Top gainers mostly is technology. Technology, MPI, PMB, Tech. This is W. Warren, Ian Crodrick. No big volume. PMBTECH got some volume. Later we take a look. UWC also got big volume. Take a look. Coraza, this one new company. Cannot see the chart. Cocoland, maybe we take a look. ATech also got a rebound. Maybe we take a look. ATech. Harbor big rebound. Okay, take a look at Harbor, GREATECH, INARI, Genetech. All this technology got some rebound. Okay. Rather than that, okay, I think these are the one we want to look at. MPI PMBTECH UWC GREATECH, D&O. EPMB got some rebound. Later we take a look. Okay, take a look at MPI.
Technology, basic technology, we expected the technology will have some rebound. So hold on for a while first, wait for some rebound. Okay, technology trying to go up. So wait for possible a small rebound, can go slightly higher. Okay, if the rebound can continue, then slightly, okay, you have to hold for a while before you sell it. Before you run. D&O also trying to rebound. Hopefully see how far it can go. Okay, trying to rebound. D&O, UWC. UWC also trying to rebound. GREATECH, GENETECH also, okay, now going sideways, trying to rebound. Let's see, wait a few days and see what happens. GREATECH also, okay, so trying to rebound. Okay, hopefully it can continue. So let's look at PMB, PMBTECH. PMBTECH still haven't breakthrough. Still like sideways over here. I think this line, I want to put it a bit lower here. Possible here. Yeah, here. A breakthrough here, maybe want to take a look. 13.1. Still no breakthrough yet. PMBTECH. EPMB. EPMB going sideways, went up, drop again. So sort not very strong. EPMB below cut loss already. So this one I think better don't play unless I drop 50 already. Better don't play. If it goes above 1.055, hold above, then maybe want to go in again. For now, it doesn't look so good. Doesn't look so good. Looks like double top already created. Not so good. EPMB. ATEC starting to rebound. I think this wave, right? Most likely you got chance. If you buy high, you really buy high. Most likely you got chance to run first. Okay, this rebound up maybe around 2.3 around this area. You got chance to run first. Cocoland and Harbor. Cocoland is a food company. I'm not very familiar with this company, but looking at the chart, buying now is too expensive. Buy channel bottom, sell channel top, buy channel bottom, sell channel top. Now we reach channel top, so probably want to wait for the price to come back down to maybe around 99 cent, 1 ringgit area, then buy. This one already too high now. Look at ATEC for a while, see what happened. ATEC very low. Harbor, so Harbor today got some logistic. Logistic got chance. Harbor, see Harbor. Still Harbor still cannot. Still broke outside the channel. Let me see. It's doing a double bottom. Harbor trying to rebound. Market first. Harbor trying to rebound. Not very strong, Harbor. Not very strong. Wait for RSI go through 50 first, then maybe we take a look. Harbor we monitor. We monitor, see how it goes. Harbor. We monitor first. See how it goes. Maybe channel bottom. If you got volume now, no volume, wait and see. Okay, so today is a little bit rebound on the technology. Hopefully the semiconductor stock that can rebound more. So if you got chance to run. But today, this week, right, Thursday morning, okay, Thursday night, Thursday morning, early morning, right, there is FOMC. These are US Fed, this finance ministry, right, something like Malaysia finance ministry. They are going to have a speech, okay, that they are doing to also going to report this interest rate. So there will be a lot of volatility in the market, so they can change in the direction of the market. So probably hold on 1-2 days, or these 2 days don't play too big. Hold on 1-2 days, see what the sentiment they bring to the US market. If they bring good sentiment, US market rebound, then maybe our KLCI got a chance. If they bring bad sentiment, US market keep on dropping, so we wait for the Malaysia sentiment to drop, Malaysia market to drop, then only buy back again. Okay, so see you again in the evening. Bye bye.